Happy morning, dear children. Grade 6, Chapter 6, Who I Am. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. All the people on earth are good, honest, interesting, God-fearing. Interesting is the answer. Right? So, do you have any doubt in this? You can share it with me. Question number 2. Radha's favorite activity is climbing trees. Nazir wants to learn how to preserve seeds. Rohit loves to travel to places like pyramids of Egypt. Sarjit's parents blame him for having started the fight. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister. The phrasal verb dive down means take a dip. Radha's mother could rule the world. It is false statement. Radha's wish is only to rule the world. Radha's mother could rule the world is false. The complaint that Sarjit has for people is that they do not trust him. Now, 10th question. Sarjit counts from 1 to 10 to control his temper. Radha was favorite of our teachers as she was reliable. All the people on earth are interesting. Radha loves to climb trees. Nazir has worried about how to preserve seeds. Rohit prefers to visit pyramids of Egypt. Sarjit was angry as his parents blame him for having started the fight. Dolma aspires to be a good prime minister. Radha's mother stopped her from climbing because she favors her. She's doing good to her. She favors her. Dancing or physical activity involves bodily intelligence. Visual intelligence means that one enjoys movies. Verbal intelligence implies you think in words. Multiple intelligence will work if you are an all-rounder. If you are good, you can become an interior designer. If you are good to plan the design of a building, you can become an interior designer. To plan the design of a building. Right? Word searches are there. We'll do part 2. Howard Gardner has propounded the theory of multiple intelligence. Howard Gardner has propounded the theory of multiple intelligence. When I enjoy listening to people, it is interpersonal intelligence. Dancing or physical activity involves physical intelligence. Dancing or physical activity involves physical intelligence. Visual intelligence implies one enjoys movies. Verbal intelligence means you think in words. You can become an accountant if you like calculations. Multiple intelligence will work if you are an all-rounder. An architect's job is to plan the design of a building. A paragraph will be given and from that you have to write the answers for the given question. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. It's rule, it's not line. The speaker of these lines is Radha. The speaker loves to climb trees. Mother wanted her daughter not to climb trees. When the speaker is high up on the tree, she feels powerful. The noun form of sensible is sense. My grandfather, second paragraph. My grandfather told me that many years ago he would collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow next plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So the speaker of this passage is Nazir. 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 Speaker's grandfather was a farmer. The speaker is resentful that his family spends on seeds. The speaker wants to learn to preserve seeds. The word which means opposite to preserve is destroy. Now the third paragraph, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test, even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. The look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look to wit at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. The speaker of the above lines is Sarbjit. The speaker's mood is angry. The speaker's complaint is that the people do not trust him. The speaker counts to 10 to control his temper. The noun form of tell is tell itself. So fourth paragraph, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. My teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. The speaker of these lines is Dolma. The speaker of the line is ambitious. The teacher considers the speaker reliable. The speaker is sure to be a leader. The noun form of do is deed. Right. So children, I hope who I am will be useful for you. In the next session, we will see the poem. Thank you.